Liam, Liam, something downstairs.
There's nothing downstairs. Go to bed.
Wake up!
Never. I only wake up to Fortnite.
I'm game, but what about the sound?
There's no sound, so are we playing Fortnite or not?
Okay, maybe I was hearing things.
Let's make sure Mommy and Daddy are not up.
Okay, let's go. Liam, are we good? Yeah, let's go.
Dude, relax. You're hearing things.
I am relaxed, but I swear I heard something. Dude, it's back.
What is your terrible aim?
No, man, the noise. Okay, that I heard. Let's go check it out. Pillows?
I know I heard something, but I bet it's gone.
Please tell me that you heard that.
Yeah, it's come from stairs. I'm not scared.
Wait, Liam. Wait.
I thought I heard something. What are you guys doing up?
You scared us.
Well, my phone woke me up. Something about the neighbors complaining there's some guys, green outfit or something, creep around people's backyards. It's starting to freak me out, so that's why I'm up.
Oh, so that's who making all of the noise.
We're painting on the walls.
From down here.
Yeah. Gotta check out the whole house.
Guys, seriously, it was baby Camden kicking the door. Now let's go. It's 3:30. Let's get to bed. Now that did not come from upstairs.
Sound like it came from the garage.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's figure out what the sound is.
Whoa. Guys, seriously, maybe I should check it out and you two get to bed.
Come on, Dad. We want to figure out what this noise is.
Plus, we're hyped up on Mountain Dew.
Why does that not surprise me? Okay, fine, let's go. Do you guys hear anything?
No. I think it's gone.
Well, that's a relief. Now we have a new problem.
What's that?
I can obviously see why you guys woke up so early. Is that Fortnite I see on your laptops?
Maybe.
Nah, very funny. Come on, guys. I always tell you this. There's a time for work, there's a time for play.
Yeah, we know.
And there's also time for sleep, which is what we should be doing now. Come on, it's getting really late. Let's go. Guys, this is really unacceptable. You're like your mother's not up to see this.
We're sorry, Dad. This won't happen again.
You darn tootin' this isn't gonna be happening again. Because you're grounded from Fortnite for a week.
Dad, are you serious? No! Are you serious? No, we'll never do that again. No. We'll never do that again.
Definitely heard that.
Dad, that sound just came from the garage.
That's it. I'm ending this. The neighbors were right. I don't know what you think you're doing here, but get out of my garage! Why have I seen that dance before? You think it's funny? Okay, hold on. Yeah, sucker, that's what you... Oh, jeez, nope. Hey, dum-dum, I'm over here. I think that mask is too thick.
The bingo does exist. The neighbors are telling the truth. What do? We have to have Daddy.
We need a blaster, but they're all in there.
Hey, Woody, what do you call that?
Oh yeah.
Damn, what are you doing? I said stay inside.
Dad, I told you we're in this together.
Okay, kiddo, I like your energy. Let's finish this guy in 3, all right? Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1. Let him have it.
Guys, is it safe? Can I come out yet? Yeah, Eli, we got him.
Yeah, we got him, Liam. Nice work, kiddo.
I hope the green guy learned his lesson.
Guys, where'd he go?